Right. What's up guys, it's Pella Dope Ninja. Today we're gonna do something a little different but special because we just hit 300 subscribers. That's awesome guys. We want to thank all of you who have been with us since about last year when we started getting noticed for our Chalk Pearl Ultra Boost video. So check that out. That's our first really awesome video in my opinion. Anyway, thank you all for being subscribed since that time, and of course for our new subscribers. We just got a whole bunch of you recently. So thank you all for joining in the fun of sneakers, music, dance, life, and everything else in between. We appreciate each and every single one of you. Thank you guys for allowing us to do what we do. We're gonna keep doing it for you at this awesome level. Keep providing with you guys some awesome content to inspire you and even to just entertain you, okay? So to thank all of you, I wanna share with you guys one of my favorite B-boy moves to do. This is actually a basic foundational footwork move, which you guys can learn in 5 to 10 minutes, okay? So pay attention, take down notes, and of course, have fun. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna share with you guys the 6th step, all right? So first, I'll show you how it looks from the front, from the side, for reference, and from the back, just for the heck of it. All right? Okay, so again, this is a basic footwork move, one of the foundational B-boy moves, and you guys can learn it really quick. Just, don't get discouraged and just follow me. Okay, so let's warm up first. You want to clasp your hands together, fingers interlocked. Just spin your wrists like that. Make sure to do both directions. Do this for about 15 to 30 seconds. Then, stretch your wrists. Stretch your wrists like this. Make sure to really warm up your wrists. You can even use the floor like that. Make sure to get both hands. All right, so this is the basic motion of the 6th step. So it's all in your feet and your hands are just supporting your body. So most of you are right-handed, so I'll do it for the right-handers there. Okay, so you start with your right foot, right, left follows, then right, left, and then to the back, right, left. So basically right, left, right, left. If you're left-handed, just do left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. But again, for right-handed people, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, now we're gonna take it to the floor. All right, so now we're gonna take it to the floor. So if you noticed, it's just one foot following the other. For those who are right-handed, it's right, left, right, left, right, left. And just the opposite for those who are left-handed, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, so again, it's just one foot following the other. Don't forget to support your body with your hands, okay? So I'll show you guys how it looks. Slow motion. So lift up this arm, right, left, then swing, right, swing left, left, right, left. Okay, one more time. Right, left, swing right, swing left, and back, back right, back left. Okay, now for the other side, left, right, swing, left, swing right, back left, back right. And that's the 6th step. Some important things to note: be sure you're stable. Be sure and be as high as you can. You can't do it lazy like that. So form is very important. So be stable, be on your ankles and support your body with your hands. And use your hips also for momentum. Keep it clean. Don't try to do it super fast first. Do it slowly so you can get used to the motion. Other side, swing, swing, swing. Okay, and real quick, this is very important. When you reach this point, make sure you swing it around like that. All right? Thanks you guys for watching. This is Pella Dope Ninja. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. We hope you learned a little something today. Hope you had fun also. Once again, this is the 6th step. Show you guys one more time, right and left. And to the right. Thanks for watching. Do what makes you happy.